how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today your ma'am is present here to represent a new concept. Okay, in last class what we have learned? Tell me. In last class we have learned saw ending sound words. Today we learn a new concept, new digraph sound W and H. W sound is W and H sound is H. So WS make one sound, that is W. That is W. WS sound is W. We'll learn some words one by one. Okay? Have a look here. What is the first picture? Yes, me. Tell me. What is the first picture? The picture is vein. Vein. What is the spelling of vein? W-H-E-N. V-A-N. Vein. 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 W-H-E-N. V-A-N. Vein. Vein. What is the next picture? Tell me. This is a wheel. All vehicles are wheel. Bikes, car, bus, truck, all vehicles are wheels. So what is the spelling of wheel? W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. W-A-A-L. Wheel. W-A-A-L. Wheel. Okay. What is the next picture? This is white. White. What is the spelling of white? W-H-I-T-E. White. White is a color. Okay. White is a color name. W-E-T-A. White. 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 What is this? Which picture is this? Whisk. 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 Do you know what is whisk? When you make egg omelette, you want to mix this. So, you take this whisk and mix this omelette. Okay? When you make cake, you take this whisk and mix this. Yes or no? Yes. What is the spelling of whisk? W-E-S-K. Whisk. W-E-S-K. Whisk. W-E-S-K. Whisk. Okay? What is the next picture? Whale. Whale is a big water animal. Whale. What is the spelling of whale? W-H-A-L-E. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. W-A-L-A. Whale. W-A-L-A. Whale. What is the next picture? What is this? This is your cat face. Cat have whisker. What is the spelling of whisker? W-H-I-S-K-E-R. W-H-I-S-K-E-R. W-E-S-K-A-R. Whisker. W-E-S-K-A-R. Whisker. Well, whisker. Well, whisker. What is the next picture? Have a look here. What is this? Will. Will. What is the spelling of will? W-H-I-R-L. Will. W-E-R-L. Will. Will. Will means to move something round and round very quickly in a circle. What is the next picture? Vessel. Vessel. What is the spelling of vessel? W-H-I-S-T-L-E. Vessel. W-E-S-T-L-E. Vessel. 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 What is the next picture? What is this? Wheat. Wheat is one type of grain. What is the spelling of wheat? W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. 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 What is the next picture? Tell me. Wheat. Wheat is a small piece, thin piece made in leather to use in animals to run fast and also hitting somebody else to make the punishment. Okay? What is the spelling of whip? W-H-I-P, whip. W-E-P, whip. W-E-P, whip. What is this? Which picture is this? What? Which picture is this? What? What is the spelling of what? W-H-A-C-K. What? W-H-A-C-K. What? Wa-a-ka-ka. What? What? What means to hit somebody else very hardly. That is what? That is what? What is the next picture? Whisper. Whisper. What is the spelling of whisper? W-H-I-S-P-E-R. Whisper. W-I-S-P-E-R. Whisper. 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 Whisper means to speak very quietly. Somebody else ear. Somebody else ears. That time others can't hear their conversation. Okay? To speak very quietly somebody else ear. That is whisper. Whisper. What? Whisper. What? Whisper. These are the words. Word sound. Word digraph sound. Words. You have to learn properly and you have to remember all the words spelling. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.